Okay, so imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and suddenly bam! Leaked photos of the DJI Osmo Action 6 hit the internet like a plot twist in a spy movie, yep. The FCC's 180-day confidentiality window just expired, and now we're all zooming in on these blurry images like tech detectives. But here's the twist, this might not be the final design. So maybe hold off on getting that Osmo tattoo. For now, let's rewind for a second. Back in December 2024, the first whispers of the Action 6 showed up in FCC filings, and we all assumed an early 2025 release. Well, that didn't happen, but now, a flood of new images just dropped. And that usually means one thing: an official launch is just around the corner. From the leaked photos, the Osmo Action 6 keeps that familiar dual screen setup yet. Front and back, so vloggers and selfie pros, you're covered. But here's where it gets interesting. Right below the front screen, there's this strange pill-shaped design. What is it? A microphone, a sensor, a tiny hot dog warmer? Nobody knows yet, but it definitely has the community guessing. Now, tech nerds, listen up. Earlier FCC documents mentioned the battery size is 1770 mAh and 1950 mAh. That's a pretty big hint. Either we're getting the separate models or DJI might be cooking up a more powerful Pro version, and who's going to say no to extra juice? Especially when you're mid-mountain bike ride or underwater dive. Rumors are also swirling about a larger image sensor, maybe even close to a full inch. That's huge for low light shots and reducing that noisy, grainy mess. Some insiders are even suggesting Sony-style stacked CMOS sensors, shrunk down for action cam use. If true, that would be wild. And for video specs, buckle up. We're talking 5.3K or even 8K resolution, 4K at 120 FPS, and maybe just maybe 240 FPS in 4000 for those ultra buttery slow-mo shots. Add in 10-bit color, improved color science, Bluetooth 5.1, and Wi-Fi 6, and this thing's starting to look like a mini cinema rig that fits in your pocket. And of course, it'll likely slide smoothly into DJI's existing ecosystem like it's been there all along. Pricing still under wraps, but with all these rumored upgrades, expect it to land in the premium zone, maybe even a bit pricier than its predecessor. So, is DJI about to drop the ultimate GoPro killer? Or is this just another yearly refresh with the new shiny button? Either way, things are heating up fast, and I'm here for it. If you're hyped for the Osmo Action 6 or have your own wild guesses about that mystery front module, hit the comments. I want to hear what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the official reveal when it drops. And hey, check out these other videos on screen for more DJI leaks and action cam comparisons. Catch you in the next one.